Hello, friends. Welcome to Financial Secrets. Today, we will learn about trading psychology, how to think like a professional trader by Mark Douglas. Very important. Okay, so look at the picture. Make money off your block. This serves as my notes and a reviewer from a trading psychology DVD of Mark Douglas or Lodi titled How to Think Like a Professional Trader. There are developmental modes of trading. Okay, these are mechanical stages, subjective and intuitive stages. Better I will keep this here. I will move here. Okay. No, don't. It's okay. Mechanical stage. Rigid criteria defines your age. We have to have certain rules or criteria in choosing what to trade, how to execute it, and how much is the risk in every trade. All execution decisions are made in the advance of market activity. All possible scenarios must be planned prior to the market activity to avoid being subject to in decision making. Execute based on your plan. Don't trade if you don't have plan in the first place. If you execute what is not in your plan, then your trading plan is not flexible enough. By limiting your variables, you are better to be able to find out what works and doesn't. The more you know, the less you trade. Limit your variables or the buy signals and focus on the working on that until you master. So trade in one focus, one point, one focus area, not everything. Now see subjective stage. Mechanical stage is over. Subjective stage. Being subjective doesn't mean you are still a newbie. There is a time when you plan and execute according to market's reaction. Especially when unexpected situation happens and you haven't planned for a specific scenario, you will still be able to execute flawlessly through experience. Simple example only this. See, this market is going up and on the above red line is resistance, and we bought here. Buy is taken here. Now what will happen? See, you bought at breakout of 20 moving average, 20 point moving average, 20 point. That line is 20 point. Now again see this, you bought here and it didn't break the psychological resistance. This is psychological resistance. ब्रेक नहीं हुआ और रेड लाइन के ऊपर नहीं गया, वो साइकोलॉजिकल रेजिस्टेंस है, उसको ऊपर नहीं गया. ठीक है. Then it didn't break the psychological resistance and you haven't planned for that scenario, but based on your experience, if something like this happens, the best for it is to sell because resistance is there to resist. Again, that is only example. It is the stage when you have improved and passed the mechanical stage. That's what subjective trading is. Now intuitive stage, intuitions. Okay? This is the stage when you have mastered your emotions. You can execute flawlessly and without fear. You will have developed a mindset of thinking in probabilities. संभावना, probabilities. हो शकतो, होऊ न शकतो. The dynamic of confidence and fear. How we feel, our state of mind in any given situation is always real and absolute truth. P. Probability. However, the particular perspective belief that got us into that state of mind may be completely erroneous related to the condition. Trading without fear is a function of thinking in probabilities. Very important sentence. Trading without fear is a function of thinking in probabilities. Means you have to become competent. One way to overcome this fear is by mental preparation and stimulation. I learned this from Traders 10 team. This is imagine that you have already suffered from 3 losing streaks and mentally accept it and imagine yourself that despite the losing streaks, you still be able to trade flawlessly. Another trick is by using reframing exercise from the book Unlimited Power by Tony Robbins, Kindle Tracks Mentor. Should you want to try this exercise, just check it out in PowerPoint presentation Unlimited. All changes in a function of desire. Okay, these are very important things you should learn.